Here I've got SHARP B10 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and then go to phone ringtone. And here you can choose one from the system ringtone, so let's start with CPU. And just select the one that you like most, so let me pick for example Kuma. Let's go back. And that's it. From now on this is your ringtone. As you can see, it changed here, and anytime someone will be calling you, you will be able to hear this sound. So that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.